Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today I want to talk about a successful motion I just had and how it can pertain to other cases. But first I just want to say if you have any business litigation concerns, questions, need a consultation, all you have to do to speak with me is go to jdelaw.nyc/consult. So that's jdelaw.nyc/consult, and you can book a 10-minute phone consultation or a 30-minute in-person consultation. All right, so today I am thrilled. I had this case for about 1.5 years now. I'm representing a priest who's being sued for defamation. Now, the complaint was horribly done, in my opinion, if you're suing for defamation, okay? So I'll back up. Defamation, when you're trying to be successful, you need to prove that someone lied to you about a third party, and that you suffered special damages, or you suffered per se damages, and there's very limited instances, but for example, one is if you're a woman and you're called a slut, basically. So that would be the first per se damage. That would be per se damages. Special damages is you have to prove something more than if you, than money. Okay, so in this case, the guy is alleging that he lost 10 business clients. And that, but the law in New York, dating back to the 1900s, early 1900s, is that if you say you lost 10 business clients, or any business clients, you have to name them, which he didn't do. So I thought I had a great case to get this case thrown out immediately with a motion to dismiss. So what that means is I bring an application in front of the judge and say, Judge, based on the complaint, this case should not even have been brought against my client. Get rid of it. Well, the judge looked at my case law and said, I would like to have discovery first. So you make your motion after discovery is done. Fine. I went through an extra year, which I don't think I should have had to do, but that's neither here nor there. And once discovery was done, and he still refused to give me, I have it in writing, refused to give me the names of the clients that he supposedly lost. So I make a motion for summary judgment now, which means based on the documentation in the case, I go in front of the judge, say, here's all the documentation of the case. This case should be over. My client should win. So I made that application to the judge. And then the other side argues, well, it's really per se damages. He shouldn't have to give the business clients his per se damages because this is really his business. Well, no. The guy was an accountant or a financial planner, something along those lines. And, that was my response. This is not his business, which is, by the way, another per se damage is you say you were injured in your business. So I made, like I said, I made the motion for summary judgment. And I just found out today it was granted. It went so well. My client got out, and also a pro se defendant. Pro se means that they represented themselves, they didn't have an attorney. So a pro se defendant also got out on all the causes of action. I'm sorry, I'll pause there too. A cause of action is your theory you're suing under. Got out on all the causes of action that my client got out on. So I got a client and a non-client out, 2 birds, 1 stone. So my client's happy, I'm happy, and he finally got out of the case. And this just goes to show the type of work I do for my clients. I try and, not that I try and avoid trial, but if you don't have to go to trial, I try and get you out of it, right? I just hit with the motion to dismiss in the beginning of this case, which honestly should have been granted. At least that's my opinion, and what the case law actually backs up. It should have been granted, but it wasn't. And so at the end, I went for a motion for summary judgment to get my client out of the case before trial. And it worked. My client's out. Case is over against him. He doesn't have to worry about it anymore. He can go back to being a priest in his new parish, and the plaintiff is out of luck in this case, as he should be. So if you'd like to, again, if you'd like to discuss business litigation, how I can help you if you're being sued, remedies I can try and get you out of the case with, all you have to do is go to jdelaw.nyc/consult, and that's to schedule a time, either a 10-minute phone consultation or a 30-minute in-person consultation to talk about your case. Again, that's jdelaw.nyc/consult. And once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.